Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Niecy. Today we're going to be doing some chicken pot pie in the air fryer. Stay tuned, it's going to be wonderful. So chicken pot pie, we're going to cook that in the air fryer today. So we're going to give you a list of ingredients and you can change that up however you like, take away or add, just make it your own and you're going to make it delicious. So here's the ingredients you'll need. A pie crust, 10.5 ounce can of, you can do cream of mushroom or cream of chicken, either one. 12.5 ounce can of chicken, 15 ounce veg oil, 1 cup of mushroom, 1 cup of onion, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, about half a cup of cheese, and half a can of water. And then you'll go and do about a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and paprika, and maybe about 1/8 of red pepper, just depending on how spicy you like it. Okay, so we're just going to get these in the frying pan, the onions, the mushrooms, and garlic. This is just a simple way to make sure this gets put together quickly. So we got our onions and mushrooms, garlic going there. So in the back here, I've got the cream of mushroom soup with about half a can of water. And go ahead and get that mixed up. Then we'll dump in our spices and pour in the chicken. And go ahead and just give that a stir and get it kind of distributed in there before you add the veggies. That way you don't mess them up. So what we're doing right now is getting the crust prepared. So you're just going to put it in your dish and put it in the fryer in a preheated about 400, 425. It just depends on your cooker and the pastry itself. So what I did, I just took this and went around the outside, just left a little extra. That way it's good and crusty. And once you get that in your bowl, go ahead and just poke some holes in the bottom so it won't puff up. So we'll get that thrown in the cooker and we'll meet you back in just a minute. Let's check this out. Oh yeah. So I put a little tin foil in here just to kind of help getting this out without burning myself. That's a big help. All right, so after you've got it browned, we're gonna go ahead and put some mixture in there. Oh, that looks good. It smells good too. So there we are. Just go ahead and put that in and top it with some cheese. And put more cheese if you like, or less, either way. And I'm just going to use these pieces. Doesn't matter how pretty it is, I'm not going to let that part go to waste. So there we are. We'll get this on here. I'll poke some holes in that, put it back in the fryer, and we'll see you in just a few. Okay. All right. Ooh, yeah. So that's been in there for probably only 5 or 6 minutes. Just like I say, be sure and check it because it will burn fast. It cooks super fast, so it's a great quick meal. There it is, air fried chicken pot pie. So quick and easy. So chicken pot pie in the air fryer. I'm sold. I used to use the convection oven, like a toaster oven, and this takes about 1/3 of the time, and it comes out just as wonderful. And so the recipe that we made is going to make far more than this one pie, of course. So just make as many as you can with that. And it's really, really good and fantastic. And we would love for you to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for joining me today on Cooking with Niecy. You got to try this. Ooh, that's good. Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Niecy. We're going to be doing some chicken pot pie in the air. Yeah. The crust is fantastic, just like in the convection oven. The toaster is gonna. So let me give this a try. Oh yeah, very good.